Every minute, there are exciting new technologies being created throughout the world, and we just can't pass up the chance to tell you about them. These street markings couldn't be more perfect. This machine gets the fields ready for the next planting season in the most mesmerizing way. Watching the pad printing process is such a pleasure. It's truly a sight to behold. Prepare to be wowed. The accuracy of this laser is truly incredible. Watch what these little glass shards are capable of very carefully. Let's just enjoy the process of this rug being cleaned. Sorting the vegetables from the dirt using this mechanism will save you so much time that you'll be able to watch more of our videos. This mechanism creates a delicious caramel color that immediately makes you crave it. It's incredible how this machine designs metal. And this mechanism can prepare firewood with just 2 rotations. Check out this satisfying pencil sharpening process. After such a lovely sight, everyone's gonna want some ice cream. The precise cuts made by this machine turns ice into enticing diamonds. Without this seemingly simple device, you could never make ravioli in such a satisfying way. You want to dip your hands in that paint too. No matter how fast you peel an apple, a water jet cutter can cut complex patterns even on durable marble. Even a 1968 penny can be transformed into a brand new one. Check out this mechanism that can turn hot metal into a cable. Ice cream production is a fully mechanized and streamlined process.